In the sunny city of Maricopa, natural light is one of your home's most valuable assets. The bright desert landscape and clear skies offer endless opportunities to bring warmth and brilliance into your living spaces. One of the most effective ways to take advantage of this light is by upgrading to glass door installations that blend style, function, and energy efficiency. Whether you're updating your patio entry or enhancing your home's open concept design, glass doors can completely transform how light flows through your interiors, making rooms feel larger, more inviting, and more connected to the outdoors. Here's how professional glass door installation can help you maximize natural light while maintaining comfort and privacy in your Maricopa home. Let the sunshine in. The beauty of natural illumination. Maricopa homeowners are lucky to experience nearly 300 days of sunshine each year. With glass doors, you can make the most of that light, turning dim corners into bright, lively spaces. Large glass panels allow sunlight to flood your interiors, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Natural light not only enhances the aesthetics of your home but also boosts mood, energy, and productivity, perfect for home offices or family gathering areas. French doors, sliding glass doors, or full-view entry doors can all serve as luminous focal points that brighten your home and connect indoor comfort with the beauty of Maricopa's desert scenery. Enhancing energy efficiency with modern glass technology. You might assume that more glass means more heat in Arizona's warm climate, but that's not the case with today's energy-efficient glass doors. Modern designs feature low emissivity coatings, argon gas insulation, and dual or triple pane glass to minimize heat transfer. These features reflect infrared light, keeping heat out during the summer while maintaining indoor comfort. That means you can enjoy abundant sunlight without sacrificing energy efficiency or comfort. Properly installed, energy-rated glass doors can even reduce your cooling costs, making your home both brighter and more economical to run. Expanding spaces with visual continuity. One of the biggest design advantages of glass doors is their ability to make small spaces feel larger. The transparency of glass removes visual barriers between your interior and exterior, creating a seamless transition that visually expands your living area. For Maricopa homes with patios, gardens, or pools, sliding or folding glass doors offer panoramic views and easy access to outdoor entertainment areas. The result is a natural flow that makes your home feel open, airy, and perfectly suited to Arizona's indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Even interior glass doors, such as those separating living and dining areas, can maximize natural light while maintaining functional division between rooms. Privacy and light. The best of both worlds. If privacy is a concern, you don't have to choose between light and seclusion. Modern glass doors come with a variety of frosted, tinted, or textured options that diffuse sunlight beautifully while obscuring direct visibility. These designs allow light to enter freely while providing comfort and discretion in bedrooms, bathrooms, or private entryways. Homeowners can even opt for integrated blinds or smart glass technology, which allows you to adjust transparency levels with the touch of a button. It's a perfect way to enjoy the benefits of natural light while maintaining the privacy your family needs. Professional installation. For long-term performance. Proper installation is the key to maximizing both the beauty and efficiency of glass doors. Gaps, uneven seals, or misalignment can lead to air leaks, dust infiltration, and energy loss, especially in Maricopa's dry, breezy conditions. Local door installation professionals understand the area's desert climate and use precision techniques to ensure airtight, durable seals that stand up to heat and dust. They'll also recommend door materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad frames, that resist warping and fading under the Arizona sun. With expert installation, your glass doors will not only perform flawlessly but also maintain their appearance and efficiency for years to come. Elevating curb appeal and home value. Beyond comfort and practicality, glass doors also enhance curb appeal and resale value. Their modern, elegant appearance instantly updates your home's look, giving it a bright, sophisticated charm that potential buyers love. For homeowners planning to stay long-term, The benefits are even greater: more natural light, improved ventilation, and a space that feels open and inviting all year round. Final thoughts: in Maricopa, sunlight is one of your home's greatest assets, and glass door installation is the perfect way to harness it. By flooding your home with natural light, improving energy efficiency, and connecting indoor and outdoor spaces, glass doors bring warmth, style, and value to your property. With professional installation and modern glass technology, you can enjoy brighter, more comfortable living spaces that perfectly complement the beauty of Maricopa's desert landscape, one sunlit room at a time.